Every drop counts, but every day, millions of litres disappear inside aging pipelines, unseen, undetected, unrecovered. At Aganova, we change that. Using AI-powered analytics, we help communities in stressed watersheds recover and protect their own water resources, putting communities first. Our inline technology detects hidden leaks while data turns into immediate decisions. The result? Water recovered, energy saved, systems strengthened. Across cities like São Paulo, Dublin and Madrid, we already help return over 1 billion litres every year. Global leaders like Microsoft and Amazon trust Aganova to support their water-positive goals. Water positive isn't a promise, it's proof. Aganova, restoring water where it matters most.